PennyStockRain.com. Today we'll be discussing GOIG, that is listed on the ping sheets. A couple things about this chart that I want to note right off the bat. This is kind of oversold in the relative strength index area, and that's why we're seeing a little bit of an uptick right here. We're still above the 50-day, which is this blue line, which is pretty positive. But you also want to look at your parabolic SAR, which is above the candle. And as we noted, we want to see confirmation of that being below the candle before we actually call this, bullish. It is developing a nice symmetric pattern right here, but your support level is right about there. And your top, of course, the resistance is right about there. So we're going to draw a line basically just like that. Both our lines just like that. Couple things, we have our support level right here, which it touched upon today and bounced off of today. And we have our resistance levels, which are, pretty obvious if you look at them. That's one of our resistance levels right here. And this is another resistance level right there. It's a little channel right there. And right now we're making a little, well, actually a pretty big symmetrical um, type of pattern right here. It's going to have to wait to develop. And if you look at this and you drew a line outside of the chart, um, the 50-day and 200-day, if it does continue a uptrend such as it's had, you might actually have a crossover within a couple months if it continues the pattern that it's had. We also want to scroll down a little bit and look at our moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Couple things about the MACD that we want to point out real quick is it hasn't finished bottoming yet, but the histogram is ticking upwards, which is a positive sign. So it's not going to base itself right here before it turns again. It's going to probably base itself right about here. Hopefully we could see something come about pretty shortly. But like I said, when you see volume, you see price action. And that's what we had right here. Nice price action. The bullish thing about the chart is, even though you've had smaller sell-offs, which is actually very good sign. You can tell by the volume bars right here, there's not a lot of selling, and you do have interest in the stock. So that's the good news. That's the bullish news. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am PennyStockRain.com, reminding you to sign up today for your free newsletter. We are not financial advisors, so please do your own research and due diligence. Thank you, and have a great day.